So it's the 4th of December and today is the second part of the autumn video shoot, and I've come up to a place called Hyland House near Chelmsford, and it's a gorgeous big country manor. It's absolutely gorgeous inside, but I've just come out to do a little introduction, and you can see it's got lovely grounds. And behind me, it's a lovely old house, very ornate inside, lovely marble floors and staircases. So I brought with me a cello, which I'm going to do something with, and several bags of dried leaves, which they're already putting on the floor to be part of the set. So very excited to see what we end up shooting today.
Please try not to. I'm trying to.
It's just a big plunge.
Oh my gosh.
Was it awesome? Now give it a big load.
Up. Big. More.
Great. Cut.
So here we are at the end of the last day of shooting. This is the final shot. Poor Mary Kate is freezing, but we've got to get it done. It's been a fantastic day. So many beautiful shots inside. Yeah, it's been awesome.